Hey guys, Gaurav back with another video. So in today's video I will do the unboxing of this Motorola Pulse Escape wireless Bluetooth headphones. So let's begin. So guys, this is the box for this Motorola Pulse Escape. As you can see, it says 10 hours playtime, passive noise isolation. That means it has noise cancellation, lightweight and foldable, and as you can see it says Bluetooth. And here just give a specification and the pricing over written on this box is 6,499. That's 6,500, but I got this from Amazon for about 2,450 or something like that. So pretty nice deal on this one. So as you can see, let's just unbox them. So guys, I have finally opened them, so let me just remove this and let me just open this. So as you can see, these are the headphones and they are in white in color. So let me just take them out. As you can see, these are the headphones. So the build quality is pretty nice. They are very lightweight. Let me just keep them aside and let's just look what's inside the box. So it says pull, and here we get some booklet and cables. So let me just take these things out. We have a instruction manual. As you can see, it's instruction manual, different languages I guess, so boring stuff. And this is the cable that you can connect this in this port and one on your headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack. So this is the cable for USB to micro USB for charging these headphones. So let me just keep all this cables aside and bring the headphones itself. So these are the headphones. These are very lightweight and the cushion on this one is very soft. So as you can see, we have a charging port over here and a 3.5mm jack over here, and these are very clean and nice looking. All the buttons are on this end. So we have a call intake button, volume up and volume down button over here, and we have the Motorola branding, and this plastic is very glossy. So yeah, then the quality is very nice. I will be testing these headphones and will give you my initial thoughts on this after using them for a couple of days. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the video of this unboxing of Pulse Escape. If you do like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.